Actually, we were sitting inside and someone told us a man got shot. And then by the time we came out, police were already there.
Did you try to help him?
And police was already there, we couldn't do anything.
नहीं, मैंने नहीं देखा, मैं अंदर था। मैं कुछ गोली का सुना था इसलिए मैं आया, इसलिए मेरे को पता नहीं।
Did you try to help him?
No, he was just lying over there and I don't know what to do. डर गया यार, मैं दोस्त है यार।
Excuse me, ये क्या हुआ इधर?
इधर कुछ मर्डर वर्डर हो गए। ये क्या है? शूट क्या कर रहा है? हाँ?
नहीं, इधर ही था, सब कुछ देखा मैंने। दो बंदे आए, बाइक पे आए, उसको मार के निकल गए वो लोग।
किधर निकल गए?
भाग गए वो लोग।
कुछ फिर
पुलिस आया फिर, और उसके बाद अगर वो आएगा मेरे को पूछने तो मैं उनको बोल देगा, आराम से बोलेगा। मैं आना चाहिए उनको, बस।
नहीं, मैं अभी सर टैक्सी के लिए रुका है ऊबर। मेरे को कुछ ऐसा पता नहीं है, क्या हो गया? कुछ हुआ?
Never works. This is the other thing that never works. Other video suggestions by YouTube, the videos that we see on the sites, and it never works, right? But it completely changed my opinion last week. And I was watching this debate on demonetization. There was this small video, and I could see videos on the sites like Modi Harami, Modi exposed, great insult of Modi Feku. And that last one is just simply amazing. It's not even a sentence. It's like a collage of sentiments put together. And I'm just wondering, how did YouTube get to know so much about Modi? Like, it's finally not even recognizing just my interest, it's recognizing Modi's real interest as well. It's impressive. I want to see what this video is, right? So I play this video. And this video is about this excerpt from the rallies that Modi is saying if all the black money is coming back, every person will be getting 15 lakhs each. I'm just thinking, what will I do with that 15 lakhs in my bank account if the limit is set to 2,000 rupees withdrawal a day? It's crazy. And who knows, by the end of this act, it'll turn into 500 rupees a day. Like, it's ridiculous. अरे नहीं, बट तू समझने के लिए ट्राई कर विपुल। सब पैसा ना ऐसा 500 और 1000 का सब बाहर आएगा, बेड से बाहर आएगा, वॉशरूम से ऐसा चल के बाहर आएगा। आई एम टेलिंग हिम, बाहर मतलब कितना बाहर जाएगा? बाहर चला जाएगा। ऑलरेडी 90% ऑफ अ ब्लैक इकोनॉमी इज ऑलरेडी आउटसाइड द कंट्री, नॉट इनसाइड वेयर द नोट्स आर बैंड. It's ridiculous. It's like the same old school days. There is one person in the classroom is causing the nuisance and teacher already knows who's done it. And she's just out of this sadistic pleasure. She's trying to punish everybody. And we are just sitting there wondering that you failed miserably in your job of monitoring the class well. Why should everybody in the class suffer? Just pick on that one student and get done with it. It's ridiculous, right? And then Modi comes in and comes up and he's like, no, it's about curbing the tax evasion and 2,000 rupee notes are being printed and it's going to be this is a chip in it. The rumor of the chip. अरे नहीं यार विपुल, तू वो वैसा नहीं होगा। उसमें ना वो चिप है ना, वो जमीन के अंदर भी तू डालेगा ना, वैसा बाहर निकल जाएगा। And I'm like, right, that's what's going to happen. Like, even Apple Maps and Google is right. Like right now, this is going flipping off. Like, even our maps are showing Matunga underwater, and you're expecting this every note that you're making to have a NGC, a nano GPS chip. But this is example, like Sweden has turned into a cashless economy, and this is called it took them really long time. And they have this really good plan of internet for all, banking for all, inclusive. If they're taking everybody along and then turning into a cashless economy, you can't just randomly get up one night, come on a news channel and turn into a cashless economy. Who does that? This is really crazy. We can't expect the parliamentarians who are sitting in the houses, bunch of aggressive monkeys while debating the policies. It's really ridiculous. And we can't expect them to make us turn into a cashless economy. And I know Achhe Din sounds nice, but Achhe Din at the cost of logic is something that really depresses me. And that was my last segment, guys, and I hope you all enjoyed. And until next time, ciao.
काशी
अरे सर आगे बाहर
सर हाँ किधर बाहर अंदर ही था तू
था
मेरे शो में
अंदर मैं बुड्ढा था मेरे एक तेरा शो देख के इतना पैरानॉइड हो गया
जिंदा बचा है ना
टीका भी लगा के आया था फुल बीच
हाँ।
में उठ के निकल
क्या
चला
खून
गया।
का टिका
पता नहीं किसका टीका लगा के आया था
जिंदा बाहर निकला
जिंदा निकला अरे
Okay.
मैं क्या बोलता सुन ना एक बार गुरुदेव से बात करना है टाइम
नहीं सुना हेडलाइन का बोल रहा है ना तू हितेश का भी बात किया था मैंने नहीं सुना वो
अरे
मेरे को पता तू बोलेगा तू कल के लिए ट्राई कर रहा है
कल के लिए
कौन और कर रहा है कौन EIC में से सपन आ रहा है कल
पता नहीं कौन आ रहा है मेरे
सपन हेडलाइन करेगा मोस्टली पता नहीं देखते हैं ठीक है पता नहीं मैं बात करके देखता हूँ एक बार
को एक सुन में जाता है अंदर एक नया बंदा है विशेष उसका फर्स्ट टाइम है आज
ओके
वो आज कर रहा है शायद से वो
चलेगा अभी स्टार्ट हो जाएगा I'll just drop by
आज आजा अंदर
I'll check out the competition new guys coming
कोई
in
कंपटीशन नहीं है भाई सुन
Okay.
उससे बात कर एक बार
ओके cool गुड नाइट प्रदीप भाई भी है आज कुछ दे देंगे आप सिगरेट डनहिल मेरा पैकेट अब एक मिनट
Hi, I'm Drishti,
हेलो
and this is Harish.
या
Yeah, we were wondering if we could take a little bit of your time. We just need a small bite.
a small bite
Yeah.
a news channel it seems
No, not at all.
okay then
regular college students, you know.
okay so what is this about
Yeah.
So, yeah.
So it is about we've chosen a theme, okay, of independent working, you know, people like yourself.
he's just already scaring me by making it really serious
He takes all my videos actually.
so it's just like a video interview that you want to
Exactly,
do
exactly.
and ruin my career after that putting it up online
No,
after that
not at all. This is
Wait, so where do we do it it'll be quick
we'll
right
Do it over here if you don't mind.
we'll just make it quick प्रदीप दे दो वो तो आपको तो पता ही है बाद में देखते हैं so use that side
Yeah, there. So,
This- that
we
light,
actually
okay.
spoke to Azim Banatwala last week from
Yeah.
IC. Do you know him?
Azim I know yeah really good fella yeah a new really good guy
Yeah. And we
all the other guys also from EIC
yeah,
actually
Daniel Fernandez we spoke to.
amazing person yeah an inspiration of course
So, yeah, so right under this.
yeah so what kind of questions are you planning on asking me under this
This is just about your
direct me
inspirations.
where do I stand
Let me just set, okay?
yeah
So this is just about your inspirations and your
Uh,
motivation to
right
carry on.
the usual drill and it'll be really quick
Yeah, really quick, don't worry.
yeah because I need to really leave in 10 minutes go inside this friend is waiting for me
Sure, don't worry.
So just
Yeah.
just
This
10
is
minutes.
good. Yeah, just
This is
keep
fine,
it
right?
compact.
and I look here
No, at me.
this side
Don't look at the camera. Harish, everything's good?
Yeah, I'm all set.
So yeah,
Shoot.
record.
Yeah, it's on.
Okay. So yeah, as everyone knows, at least as all your followers know.
All the 300 followers on the Twitters that I have.
But yeah, your comedy deals with a lot of sensitive political issues. So would you say that's a conscious thing, or are you just wired like that?
I think it's a. You may be right. I think it's just something which is hardwired inside me. The bullets. Yeah. So I was saying. Yeah. So I think it's something which is completely hardwired inside me. Maybe. And what rubbish! I mean, it's all the absurdity around. I mean, that's giving the fodder to me as a form of humor. So I'm just packaging that, placing it forward. I mean, what's happening? All the Gramin Yojanas are nothing but failures. Drought happened this year. No, it was just like a passing comment of please, just passed. And to create an image that something is happening, let's do demonetization, let's bring in 2000 rupee note, let's ban 1500 rupee notes, and all the 86% of the economy is just banned one night, and just for 6% of that black cash, and it's ridiculous.
I've heard you get a lot of hate mail, and would you say that makes
Have you ever got one? Hate mail?
Not so far,
You're lucky.
hopefully.
I'm lucky.
But would you say that makes you want to tone down your content, or
It makes you feel a little uncomfortable sometimes.
yeah?
A little scared that somebody might do, a stupid person might feel like doing something really stupid.
Yeah.
But then I might as well just do it because then there's nothing.
Yeah.
Otherwise. I mean, it's really serious, but otherwise, what is there? I mean, you need to talk about things which really bother you, which
Yeah.
really concern you,
Yeah.
and you need to talk about that. So, this is
Yeah.
a really good medium for me. I
Yeah.
go on the stage, point fingers, and people don't like pointing fingers.
Yeah.
And they don't like others saying that ये तू कुछ गलत कर रहा है.
Yeah.
It's really ridiculous in that sense. Like everything is coming back to the absurdity around. So I think no, I don't own it.
Okay.
I just put it out the way I want to.
So just to lighten things a little bit, one-liner that has really stuck with you.
One-liner.
Yeah.
Interesting. Just one second. Yeah. So one-liner. That's really interesting. There's this one Stephen Colbert
Yeah.
one-liner agnostics are nothing but atheists without balls. It's something which is stuck with me because it's not even completely true. I keep saying this to people that I am one, but I don't think I'm entirely an atheist. What's wrong with him, dude? आज ज़्यादा हो गया लगता है.
Oh shit! What the fuck just happened? Oh god! Oh shit, is he dead? Oh god. Gosh.
What should I do? Should I?
Yeah, do it fast. Call the manager or something. Yeah. Fast. Those bastards. Just shot him. Oh shit. God, is this really happening?
I'm gonna call the police.
Yeah, please do it.
Harish, did you get the number?
Srishti, I don't know. I have to check.